Hello, friends. One of the most frequently asked questions by the people whom I mentor on public speaking is how to start a speech. There are impactful techniques to start a speech. In this short video, let me share with you the 5 most impactful techniques on how to start a speech. Surprise the audience with a startling fact. Suppose if you say that there are around 50,000 cases every day regarding COVID, it may not show the real impact. However, if you say there are 250 people getting affected by COVID every minute, that will show the real impact. So the data is same, but you are just pivoting it to show the actual impact and surprise the audience. It is one of the best ways. You make the audience surprised for a moment and then continue the topic on your speech. Next technique, asking a question. When you ask a question, you make the audience involved in your speech. For example, if you are giving a speech on fitness, you can ask, how many of you spend at least 10 minutes to exercise daily? I'm sure not even 25% of the people would do. And then you explain the importance of yoga or the fitness to include in the daily routine. Quotation. If you start your speech with a powerful quote that makes the audience think, when you make them think, you again make them involved in your speech. One of the most common ways, yet wonderful ways to start a speech. When you go on a stage and then start your speech with, once upon a time there was a woodcutter in the forest, or for that matter, one day I went to a picnic with all my friends, then suddenly. So audience get glued to your speech, because since childhood our mind is attuned to listening stories from our parents and grandparents. Storytelling, again another impactful technique to start a speech. And the last one, making the audience visualize. You make them imagine. If you say to the audience, just imagine yourself winning 1 million in a lottery, what would you do? You are taking them to a different world. You are making them visualize what you are going to say. Again, the involvement quotient is very high in this case. Just to recap, the 5 wonderful techniques: surprise the audience with a startling fact, or ask them a question to make them involved, or start with a powerful quote that make them think, or finally take them to a different world with a story or making them visualize with your imagination. This is Funny Vijay, and I publish videos on public speaking, interpersonal skills and good parenting in my YouTube channel and Instagram channel. Keep tuned. Thank you for watching the video.